We're going to be kicking it off with the first tool on our list, which is Google Bard. Now, Google Bard is a helpful chat assistant. So just like ChatGPT, you can ask this tool any question and it's going to give you the answer. So you can simply come to the prompt section, type in a question like what we're doing, and voila, you can see it writes down a detailed answer for you. So you can take a look at the articles that it has written down for you. So instead of going to Google to ask this question, and you probably get a bunch of articles that you need to read through before you get the exact response that you need, you can simply use Google Bard. So right here, I've asked you to write down some free AI tools that I can use for a provision business. And you can see these are the tools that it has listed down for me. So I can just go through them and help me for my business. Now, not just that, this tool can also write out a code for a website. So I've just asked it to write a code for a spa website with a booking page and all that. And here is this. So this is a code that it has helped me with. So you can simply come down here, copy it, and then go to this website which is called CodePen. And on the top left hand corner, you're going to click the 3 lines or the drop down arrow, and you're going to see start coding. Click on start coding. Paste the code that we've copied from Google Bard, and here is the website. So spa website, you can see the home page, booking section. So you can now visualize your code, and then from here now you can easily make adjustments to your code and create your perfect website for your business. The next tool is called Writerly. Now, Writerly is another AI writing assistant. You can start using the tool for free as it gives you a free plan. Simply go to the chat box and ask it whatever you want it to write about. So I'm going to ask it to write a bedtime story about a little boy and his dog. Scroll down and you can choose a number of results that you want. I'm going to leave it at 3 and then click create. And this is it. So it has written down a story for me about a little dog and a little boy and his dog. So it has 3 different results that it has given me. You can simply copy it. Our next tool is called Dream by Wambo. Now, Dream by Wambo is another free AI text-to-image website. So you can simply go to the prompt section, type in what you want. So I'm going to use from the story that we've created. I'm going to copy part of the story, paste it here, and do some editing. Then choose the art style and click create, and this tool is going to create a picture, an image just from that text. So if you like the image, you can simply just click the download button and it's going to be downloaded in your device. So I'm going to do another prompt. So I'm going to change the text and then choose a different style, and here it is. So these are the different results that I've gotten from the Dream by Wambo. So the image is so clear and bright. The next tool is called Virtual Speech. Now, Virtual Speech is an online audio converter. So if you have an audio, you want to convert it to an MP3 format, you can simply do that with this tool. It's totally free online. You do not even necessarily need to register with an email address before you start using the tool. Now, if you already have an audio that you wish to convert into an MP3 format, then you can simply drag and drop it in here. Or you can also record directly using the tool. Click the recorder button and it takes you directly to your phone's recorder. And then when you're done, click the tick, then click the upload button and then choose the MP3 format and then click convert. Once it's converted, click the download button and then click the 3 dots on the right and you can click download again, and it's going to be downloaded and stored in your device. Now, if you found a music that you wish to use but you're afraid of being copyrighted or receiving a copyright strike, this is where our next tool, Vocal Remover by Media.io, comes in handy. Now, what this tool is going to do is going to help you separate your background music from vocals. So simply click on remove vocals now and then click on upload. So you can upload the audio or the video that you want to separate the background music from the vocals from. So I just downloaded a video from TikTok and that's what I'm going to use. Next, click separate now. And after it's done uploading and processing, this is it. So it has separated the vocals from the background music. So you can simply download it and start using. Now let's see how it looks like.
For the past 5 days, did you check on me? Now did you look for me?
So you can use the vocals or the beats as your background music without any copyright issues. The next tool on the list is called Layer Pix. Now what Layer Pix does is it's going to animate your static image. Click on the plus sign at the bottom, select the image, and after it's done processing, it's going to animate the image. If you like how it looks, you can simply download it and store it in your device. Now, the downside about this website is that it works best on a PC. So if you're using a mobile phone, you might not get all the features. Now, the next tool is called Listener. I don't know if it's pronounced R or Listener, but whatever the case, this tool is going to help you convert text to audio files. So it's a free text-to-speech generator. This tool provides you with a free plan, so all you simply need to do is register with your email address, and once you're in, click on create a voiceover, and if you have a script, you can simply click use editor, and right here it's going to lead you here where you can now paste your script. I'm going to paste a script I copied and just adjust it, making sure there is no space. You can scroll to the top to give a title to your project right here. I'm going to give it subscribe to Research Campus, and then scroll down here. We're going to choose our voice, so you can click on the drop down arrow and you're going to see the different voices available for you. The standard voices are all free. You also have the premium voices that you can choose from. So from the premium voices, you can see the different languages that are available, but most of them are available with the paid plan, so you need to upgrade to that paid plan to be able to use those voices. So I'm going to stick with the free version. You can select the free voices that are available, mostly the English UK or the English USA. Now once you select it, go to pauses, and then you can adjust the number of pause, that the duration of the pause that you want, and go now to audio output and choose the format. We're going to leave it at MP3, play,
Hi,
and listen
everyone,
to how it
and
sounds.
welcome to Rissa's campus. I'm Rissa, and I'm passionate about helping people learn new skills and improve their productivity.
Once you're satisfied, simply go to the top and click convert, and after it's done converting, click download, and you can simply just store it in your device. If you want to produce music or create soundtrack that is free of copyright claims, then check out this awesome tool called Newburgh. Newburgh is a free text to soundtrack generator. Click on the generate track now and go to the prompt section and just type in what you want. I'm going to type in create a music track about love in the style of Shania Twain. Come down here, give a duration for your sound. I'm going to give it 30 seconds and click generate track. After it's done generating the track, you're going to see it here. You can now play and listen. You can also generate track sounds by just choosing a particular genre and mode, and it's going to produce it for you. So you can just play around with the tool and generate as many track sounds as you want to use as your background music. As you can see, these are examples that I've used. Now you can also go to their royalty free section if you don't want to produce any sound. So they have free music that others have already created, so you can use the sounds as your background music, or you can go to the top section right here and choose a particular style of music that you want. For example, this Christmas remix, and you're going to see a whole playlist of sounds that you can choose from, download and use as your background music. The next tool is called Thisgen. Now Thisgen is a free AI kitchen assistant, and what this tool does is going to help you produce recipes for you based on the ingredients that you have available at home. Type in the ingredients in the box. I'm going to type in random ingredients here. Next, click generate, and it's going to generate your recipe. So here is a recipe. You can see and the ingredients that you have to use and a step-by-step instruction on how to prepare it. So this is another one. So you can see the ingredients and the step-by-step process on how to prepare it. You can also use this tool called Let's Foodie to do the same thing. Just scroll right down at the bottom of the website, click recipe generator, and it will lead you here. So simply type in your ingredients. I'm going to type in random ingredients: chicken, tomatoes, onion, celery, and then click generate my recipe. And voila, this is the recipe that it has generated for you. You can see the ingredients that you have to use and the step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the food. So if you want to just switch things up in your kitchen, or experiment on new recipes, or probably create a cookbook or recipe booklet, you just try out this tool. You can always edit the text, just do some basic editing and you're good to go. Alright guys, so I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and also tap on the little bell icon so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.